You know, I have never seen a little kit like this, and I've seen a lot of little kits, but I've never seen one like this. Let me get up close and personal with it and show you what I'm talking about. Okay, so I've seen a lot of like multi-tool kits in my day, but this one is a little different. So this, we'll just get right into the meat of it, is a T-handle here, but it's modular. And I'll show you what I mean about that in a second. So it's a ratcheting T-handle. And to reverse how it ratchets, you pull this out, stick it on the other side, and now it ratchets the opposite direction. Really cool. Let's say you need a little extended length on this. Pull that guy out, stick it in the end. Now we have extended our length. Need to be even longer. Pull this guy out, shove it in here. Now look at how long this thing is. So now we have this extended length ratcheting screwdriver. Just flip to the other side to change how we ratchet. If you don't want to ratchet, stick it in one of the ends, no big deal. And then you have a really nice grip here. But I'm just really impressed by this. Look at this. If we don't want to ratchet, we can also do it like this. Stick one in each side. Now we have an extended reach to get in here to do our work. You can just break it down without the handle, and now we have a really thin screwdriver for tight spaces. Or you can just use this like that. Just give yourself a little bit of a grip. Are you impressed yet? I don't know. This just seems like an amazing way of doing things to me. Just how modular it is, how you can flip and change everything. Again, if you don't want to ratchet, we could stick it like this and grip down still. This just, to me, seems like an amazing way to set these tools up. Magnetic, of course, so every bit is in there pretty well. Shoot, we could turn this into almost a little ninja star. Look at that. Bits everywhere. We just turn from bit to bit. So really, really interesting way of doing things. I'm just really impressed by this thing. They do give you some longer bits. So if we really need to extend our length or our reach, we can do that. Look at that though. Get a good grip here and bear down on whatever you're spinning on. Really tight, tidy little case here. Just really impressive how this thing works. I don't know, it's just blowing my mind. We could even just put the bit in here. And now we have an ultra compact little driver. Look at that. If you need your little fingers, you could use them to kind of start the screw in there. Look at that. Hold it steady. I don't know, guys. I haven't seen one like this before. It's really amazing to me. Just all these different ways you could use this thing. So there we go. It's just a very, very creative, they call this a power grip tool set. There's all your different sizes of tools. You can pause the video and see. Very interesting. A decent little case too. Pretty compact. Yeah, I like it. This thing's going to the toolbox for sure.